What if I told you that some of the deadliest animals on Earth don't need to bite, scratch, or even touch you aggressively to kill you? No claws, no fangs, no attacks, just pure biological efficiency. From creatures so small you could step on them without noticing to animals that look completely harmless, even beautiful, these silent killers can shut down your heart, paralyze your lungs, or poison your bloodstream without leaving a single visible injury. And you'll want to stay until number 1 because the final creature on this list can end a human life in under 2 minutes, with a sting you might not even feel. Welcome back to Top Wonder, the channel where we explore the world's most dangerous, fascinating, and unbelievable creatures. Today's countdown is unlike anything you've seen before. We're looking at 10 animals that can kill you without biting or scratching, relying on toxins, chemical weapons, hidden biology, or deadly contact to take lives quietly. These animals don't need to chase you. They don't need to attack you. Sometimes, all it takes is a single touch, or simply being in the wrong place at the wrong time. Let's begin. Number 10. The stonefish. The stonefish is the perfect assassin of the ocean. Only about a foot long, it can kill a fully grown adult without ever moving from its hiding spot. It doesn't bite, it doesn't chase, it waits. Disguised as a rock, the stonefish sits motionless on the seafloor. When stepped on, it injects venom through 13 needle-like dorsal spines. But here's the terrifying part. You never see it, and you never feel the attack. All you feel is pain, a kind of pain victims describe as instant torture. Its venom causes massive swelling, muscle paralysis, tissue death, and in severe cases, cardiac failure. In Australia, multiple swimmers and fishermen have nearly died because they accidentally stepped on one. It's considered the most venomous fish in the world, and it kills without biting, striking, or even chasing its prey. One wrong step and the stonefish becomes the ocean's deadliest surprise. Number 9. The hooded pitahui poison bird. A bird that can kill you without ever attacking? It sounds impossible, but the hooded pitahui of Papua New Guinea does exactly that. This small, colorful bird carries batrachotoxin, one of the most lethal substances known to science, the same poison found in golden poison dart frogs. The pitahui coats its feathers and skin with this toxin, meaning touching the bird with bare hands can cause numbness, paralysis, or heart failure. Locals have known for centuries not to handle these birds. Hunters who accidentally touched them reported burning sensations, skin peeling, and temporary paralysis in the arms and face. The pitahui doesn't bite, it doesn't scratch. Simply brushing against it can deliver a dose of poison strong enough to be fatal. A killer hidden beneath bright feathers. Number 8. The golden poison dart frog. Only about 2 inches long, this frog carries enough toxin to kill 10 to 20 adults without attacking any of them. This little amphibian secretes batrachotoxin through its skin. Just touching it can be deadly. Indigenous tribes used its toxin for centuries, coating the tips of hunting darts with secretions from its skin. Animals struck by those darts collapse in seconds as their muscles stop responding and their hearts fail. What makes the golden poison frog especially terrifying is that it doesn't have to do anything. No biting, no scratching. It can simply sit on a leaf, and any predator foolish enough to grab it is dead within minutes. One of the smallest killers on the planet. One touch is all it takes. Number 7. The Saifu driver ants. African army ants. They don't bite to kill humans, but they can kill without needing to break your skin in any significant way. Driver ants move in massive rivers of millions, sweeping through fields, forests, and sometimes even villages. Their power comes from overwhelming numbers, not wounds. When they cover a victim, animal, or occasionally a trapped human, suffocation becomes the primary cause of death. Their mandibles hold on, but the lethal danger is being engulfed by thousands at once. In East Africa, cases have been reported of elderly or immobile people being overwhelmed when the ants moved through their homes. Livestock has been found dead, smothered under a blanket of ants that block the nostrils and airways. They don't rely on a single bite. The hive kills silently, efficiently, and by sheer force of nature. Number 6. The blue dragon sea slug Glaucus atlanticus. Beautiful, tiny, deadly. The blue dragon sea slug drifts along the ocean surface, feeding on venomous creatures like the Portuguese man-o'-war. But instead of neutralizing that venom, it stores it, concentrates it, and becomes even more dangerous than its prey. A simple touch from a blue dragon can deliver a sting powerful enough to cause blisters, intense pain, nausea, and in rare cases, life-threatening reactions. People often pick them up because they look like delicate ornaments from the sea. That mistake has sent multiple tourists to the it doesn't bite, it doesn't defend itself aggressively. The venom is already waiting on its skin and chirata, and your fingers pay the price. Number 5. The pufferfish. No predator fear because of teeth or claws, but because of the neurotoxin stored inside its body. The pufferfish contains tetrodotoxin, one of the deadliest substances known. A dose smaller than a grain of rice can kill a person, shutting down the nervous system and paralyzing the lungs. Here's the nightmare. Victims are often fully conscious, unable to move or speak, while respiratory failure creeps in. Most human deaths occur when untrained cooks prepare fugu, Japan's famous pufferfish dish. Even experienced chefs have made fatal mistakes. The fish never needs to bite or scratch anyone. Its internal organs alone contain enough toxin to wipe out dozens of people. A creature that kills from the inside out, without a single attack. And don't look away now, because the final 4 animals on this list kill in ways far more terrifying. One of them can kill you through the air you breathe. Another delivers a sting you won't even notice until your heart stops. Number 4. The Irukandji jellyfish. The size of a fingernail, almost completely transparent, nearly impossible to see even in calm water. But one brush from an Irukandji jellyfish triggers Irukandji syndrome, a catastrophic reaction involving skyrocketing blood pressure, vomiting, hallucinations, muscle spasms, and a feeling of impending death so intense that victims beg doctors to knock them unconscious. In 2002, 2 tourists in Australia died after being stung. Neither of them realized what had touched them. No bite, no claw, no teeth. The deadliest part of this creature is the fact that you won't notice the sting until your body is collapsing. Number 3. The cone snail. This small, patterned snail is one of the most dangerous animals on the planet. It doesn't bite or scratch. It launches a microscopic, venom-filled harpoon capable of piercing gloves, wetsuits, and even human skin in a split second. Its venom, called conotoxin, shuts down nerves and muscles, leading to paralysis and respiratory arrest. There is no antivenom. What makes the cone snail so frightening is that the harpoon often feels like nothing, just a pinprick or a brush of sand, but victims collapse minutes later. Divers in the Pacific have died after picking up shells from the ocean floor, unaware they were holding a loaded biochemical weapon. A tiny snail with venom powerful enough to kill an adult before they reach the hospital. Number 2. The kissing bug Chagas disease. The kissing bug doesn't kill with a bite. Its bite is mild, often painless. The real danger comes from what it leaves behind. This insect carries Trypanosoma cruzi, the parasite responsible for Chagas disease, an illness that causes heart failure, digestive collapse, and, in many cases, sudden death years after infection. The bug defecates near the bite wound, and when the victim rubs the irritated spot, the parasite enters the body. Chagas disease kills an estimated 10,000 people every year across Central and South America. Many victims have no idea they've been infected until their heart suddenly fails years later. The bug never needs to bite aggressively or attack. It simply feeds and delivers death long after it's gone. Number 1. The box jellyfish. At the top of our list is the box jellyfish, widely considered the most venomous animal on Earth, and it can kill without biting, stinging aggressively, or even chasing you. All it takes is accidental contact with its nearly invisible tentacles. Each tentacle contains thousands of specialized cells that inject venom instantly into the bloodstream. This venom causes immediate cardiac arrest, catastrophic pain, respiratory failure, and collapse within 90 seconds. Multiple swimmers in Australia, Thailand, and the Philippines have died before reaching the shore. The box jellyfish's killer power lies in its silence. You don't see it. You don't notice the touch, and within moments, your heart cannot beat. A creature without teeth, without claws, but with the deadliest biological weapon in the natural world. So there you have it, to 10 animals that can kill you without biting or scratching. From invisible jellyfish to toxic birds, from deadly sea slugs to parasites hidden in harmless-looking insects, these creatures prove that danger doesn't always announce itself with teeth or claws. Which one surprised you the most? The cone snail's venom, the box jellyfish's silent touch, or the poison hidden in a tiny, colorful frog? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Top Wonder, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next dive into the world's most dangerous animals.